Okay, let's talk about the game Alien Eyes. The main goal of this game is for students to look at two different quantities and be able to determine the relationship between them, or what process was done in order to produce the second quantity using the first quantity. So let's talk about how to play. Students will play with a partner. Each partner receives an Alien Eyes game board. So the way to play is student A rolls the dice. I rolled a 2. They'll take 2 of the googly eyes and place it on their alien. Okay. Now, partner B will spin the spinner, and we'll talk about the two different kinds of spinner in just a minute. But they're going to spin the spinner secretly, so they can kind of hold it up on their whiteboard against themselves if they need to. But they'll spin the spinner to generate a rule. So the rule I generated was +4. So as partner B, my job would be to look at partner A's alien. I see 2. And I now need to use that value and apply the rule. The rule is +4. So I have to put 2 eyes on my alien, and then I need to add 4 more. So there's my 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 more. Now the idea is for partner B to spin the spinner without the first partner seeing what rule they spun. Mainly because now partner A must look at the quantity that partner B built and determine what rule was spun. So we're really promoting algebraic thinking in the sense that for younger students who are performing addition and subtraction operations, the student is trying to figure out what process was performed in order to produce this result. Now for both spinners, there's a spinner A and a spinner B. Spinner A is for kindergarten and first grade. Spinner B is for 2nd through 5th grade. However, on spinner B, with the multiplication, there may be some students in 2nd and 3rd grade that they're a little bit uncomfortable with this, or they may still be developing that skill. And it's perfectly fine, especially for 2nd graders, if they need to come down and use spinner A. So they can really have a choice based on what their comfort level is. Now on spinner B, there's some great conversations that can come from this. Some of the rules are equivalent to each other. For example, there's ×3 and triple. There's ×2 and double. If a student spins double, but their partner guesses ×2, it should be considered correct. What that does is it brings about a great conversation about how when we say something is doubled, it's just like multiplying by 2. Same with triple. If we say something is tripled, it's like multiplying by 3. So as students are working, you can walk around and ask them about their process and have them communicate how they figured out the rule. You can ask them questions such as, let's say partner B has 6 eyes, but they had rolled +2. How many eyes would be on the first partner's alien?